Hello everyone, so today I want to share you about how to solve the reorder point and economic order quantity. So let's start. So R of B reorder point is in the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stockouts. So example is the restaurant expected daily usage is 555 jars of honey. The anticipated delivery is 3 to 7 days. Place the reorder inventory on February 28. When will it arrive and what are the safety stock days? Solution. So ROP, then usage times lead time plus safety stock. So ROP 555 jars of honey times 3 to 7 days. After that is plus 555 times 4. ROP equals 555 times 3 plus 555 times 4. So, the total of 555 times 3 is 1,665 and the 555 times 4 is 2020. ROP is 3,885 jars of honey. So, place of order is February 28 nga. Lead time is 3 to 7 days. Order will arrive is March 3. March 3, 3 days minimum order lead time. Safety stock dates is March 3 to 7 and 4 days. So, EOQ, economic order quantity, is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stock. So these are the under of EOQ: number of orders per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, and the total cost. So let's start. Example: number of jars of honey required annually 10,000, cost of placing order 10 pesos, and annual carrying cost per year jars of inventories 0.80. So the solution is formula is AOQ equals square root of 2 ON and divided by C. So equals square root of 2 10 times 10,000 then divided by 0.80, so equals 250,000. Square root of 250,000, and the total is EOQ is equal 500 jars. Then the NO is formula is NO equals N divided by EOQ. So NO 10,000 jars divided by 500 jars. So the total is 20 orders. So the TOC formula is TOC equals NO times OC, so equals 20 orders times 10. The TOC is 200, and the EI is the formula EI equals EOQ divided by 2. EI equals 500 jars divided by 2. The EI is equal to 50 jars. So the total carrying cost per year is TCC, is formula is TCC equals EI times CC. So the TCC is 250 jars times 0.80. The TCC is 200, and the total cost TC, formula TC equals TOC plus TOC is the TC is 200 plus 200. The TC is 400. That's all. Thank you.